Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this scallop scarf. I made one a while back. It was with a 50-gram ball. And I think some specialty yarn that I had bought. And I think I showed it on, showed it on social media. And someone says, yes, please make a tutorial. And that's what this is. So, without further ado, let's get a tutorial going on this scalloped edge scarf. Alright, to make a scallop scarf, you can use any yarn or hook size, it don't matter. And you keep up 4 or 5. I'm not sure how it would work once you get into the really bigger yarns, but we're going to use a size 4. It says 5, but I'm pretty sure that's a 4. I'm going to use the recommended hook size. This is a 4.5 millimeter, or about a size G hook. And this is acrylic yarn, and I bought this off Temu. It is one of my favorites from there. So, to get started, I'm just going to make a magic ring, or you can just chain 4 or 5 and make a ring. I chain 1 to kind of start the ring. I'm going to put 12 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, okay, so this will be the 12th one. I'll pull my ring shut. There we are. We're not going to join. We're just going to chain 1, and then we are going to turn. So in the first double crochet, we're going to put a single crochet. We're going to chain 3. And put a double crochet into the next double crochet. Right, in the next double crochet, we're going to put a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet. We're going to repeat that again. The next double crochet is going to get a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet. Repeating that, okay? Yeah, next double crochet gets a single crochet, chain 3, put a single crochet in the next stitch, or the next double crochet. The next double crochet gets a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet. Again, in the last 2 double crochets, we're going to put a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. We're going to chain 3, turn our work, and put, actually we're going to chain 1 more, we're going to chain 4. Put a single crochet back into the chain 3 loop, chain 1 and turn, and into that chain 4 space we're going to put 12 double crochets. So pretty much that is now we're going to do what we're going to repeat over and over again. So we're putting 12 double crochets into this ring, chain 4 ring we made. We have 12 double crochets into the chain 4 ring. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to make this 3 3 crochet edging that we did before. So the first double crochet is a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the next double crochet, and that gives our little chain 3 edging into the next double crochet. We do another single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet into the next double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, and single crochet into the next double crochet. So I'm going to repeat that across. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. I should have mentioned you're going to have 6 chain 3 loops, but now we should have 6 of these. 5, yep, 6 chain 3 loops. Now the last one, we chain 4. Then we're going to turn and single crochet into this chain 3 loop. And then we start the whole process over again. Chain 1. We had 12 double crochets into that chain 4 loop. Yep, we have 12. Again, we chain 1. We turn. So I don't know if you can see how the scallops are kind of, I don't know if I want to say an S, but you see this scallop's going this way, we got one going that way, and this one's going this way. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next double crochet, and then we got 2 double crochets left. So we double crochet the next stitch, chain 3, and double crochet in the next stitch, chain 4, turn, and again and single crochet into chain, that last chain 3 space, chain 1, and then again, there you are. That's the pattern repeat. So we keep doing that until, well, you run out of yarn, or you got like a 60-inch scarf, or whatever long you want your scarf. So I'm going to keep working on this, and then I will get back with you. All right, here you have it. I put the entire skein into making this scarf. I just want you to know when you end, you just end at the last single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Don't do this, and that's how you end it right there. So the entire skein did go into the scarf. This is a 50-gram skein, so you want to use a 50 small skein will make this nice little scarf. I like it. Now you can tell which side. Like one of these is the wrong side, one's the right side. But it's kind of all frilly. I like it. If you did like this tutorial, give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.